Assalamu alaikum. What's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are gonna see how we can implement SafeArea widget in Flutter. Okay, so as you can see, I have a stateless widget with a class of SafeArea demo, and in the scaffold I have a function of load list which is with one parameter build context. So in this function I am returning a list view with item extend 50, which just applies padding, or you can say margin, and in the children which takes a list of widgets. Here I have a statement of list.generate with item count to 50, and in the index which is returning the text index of the index. Okay, so let's run this code first. Okay, so after running the code we get this output like this. So let's apply a style to this text. Hot reload, and yes, it is looking fine. Okay, so as you can see, while scrolling, it is also covering this part of status bar, or notches you can say. Means while I scroll you can see that it is going above the status bar, which we actually do not want. So here comes the role of the SafeArea widget, which basically applies padding from all four sides, top, bottom, left and right respectively, and it will just apply the padding to the four sides and you can see the result then. So if I wrap this list view with SafeArea, just hot reload, and you can see that it has applied padding from all four sides, since we did not define the sides and we did not actually made them true or false. Okay, so it has fixed by just applying the SafeArea widget. Okay, so if there is a condition you don't want SafeArea from certain sites, likewise I do not want this on top side, so I will just make it false, and when I hot reload, so it returned to its original state. SafeArea widget has been implemented, but it is, our code is by default on the previous state. So SafeArea just applies padding from all four sides if you do not define, or if you do not make one of them false. So that's all from this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like this video, share this with your friends, and make sure you subscribe this channel, and for more videos please stay tuned and hit that bell icon. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.